Hello Leo, welcome to Brutally True Tarot, and this is the reading for this week of December. So let's check what are the messages for you in this week of December. Okay, here we have two cards already, the Magician and the King of Wands. Queen of Swords, the Hierophant, Six of Wands, Queen of Pentacles, Seven of Swords, and Queen of Cups. Okay, the first card that we have here is of the Magician. So it looks like someone is pretending something to you. Okay, and probably you are too influenced by this person with the card of the Magician, because with the Queen of Swords it feels like you feel that you are not good enough, you are lacking something, you don't feel confident, because this person is trying to show you that. This person might be someone who just want to belittle you or want to show that they are better than you, but I don't think it's working for them. It might be someone who is interested in your King of Wands probably, and even if they're not interested, they just they don't like to see your relation as it is, because your King of Wands is completely in the control of Queen of Pentacles. So it feels like that you are too much into each other, and this has become a problem for someone. Probably you are dealing with a third party. However, it is not necessary completely, because it might have something to do with someone who wants the attention of your King of Wands, or wants to show them better than you in any way. So this could be jealousy, because they are giving a lot of time, a lot of attention to you. They are ready to do anything for you, and this person thinks that what you have got, that's special. Why is this person is your what can I say, this person, they feel that this person is your slave. This person is completely in control of you emotionally. So basically this Queen of Swords is frustrated. You might expect some bitter words from them if you talk to them, if you know them. So it could be a situation where you won't like to find yourself. However, this is a general reading, Leo, so this can resonate and may not resonate, and the energy could be reversed as well. And if you are interested in the yearly reading of 2021 or in the story of your ex, I have provided the link below in the description box. Okay, let's move ahead. With the card of the Hierophant, it looks like that this person is going to shut this Queen of Swords up, and they are trying to, or going to tell them that just stay out of our relationship, we are meant for each other. With the Hierophant and the Queen of Cups, nothing can change their mind about you, and you will feel this overwhelming love and support from them, and they will make you feel special. They will make you like you are the only one in the world, and it is you who matter. And with the Six of Wands, you feel like that you are victorious over this person or over the situation. No matter how someone tried to ruin your relationship, no matter how someone tried to portray you before this person, you are already here, and your partner knows your importance, such as your understanding. So your understanding is growing stronger than before. You just cannot trust anything nonsense about each other. You know what to trust and what not to. You have reached at a point where you have decided that you are meant for each other, and the more this person is trying to keep you apart, the closer you are coming. But the Six of Wands, everything is fine. You feel like finally you have made your way out of the situation, and you are more than happy to see your person's approach, because earlier you might have doubts about what will happen in the future. But the magic is magic, and it won't stay for long. With the card of the Magician, they cannot keep pretending for so long. They just cannot make your image in front of your partner. And yes, your partner is smart enough to know what they should trust. Okay, so here with the Seven of Swords, it feels like that you're looking in the past, and you still want things to work, and they are working, but there is something you would like to fix with this Queen of Swords. You see these cards side by side, so probably you want to make sure that this Queen of Swords is gone, or her problem is solved, or his problem is solved. I mean, gender is not that relevant, because of course it's a general reading. So here with the Seven of Swords, I feel that you are trying to walk away from this tension. You just want to cut off from this person. You just don't want this person to come after you, because you're looking behind. You don't want this Queen of Swords to come after you, to come into your life once again. And that is why you are moving ahead. You're moving far away, but you are having a look behind as well. Let's take one more message for you, Leo. Message for Leo. Okay, here we have this card. Ace of Cups. So finally your wish is granted. Whatever you deserve is coming to your way. You are going to be rewarded for whatever you have done, because I feel like that you have faced a lot. This person was pretending for a long time. They were trying to make you look bad in front of your partner, in front of your family or friends, whatever it is. They might be bitching around about you, but with the card of Ace of Cups, it seems like that things are coming to a point where everything is falling in line, and they are dealing with their karma right now, and you are getting your own rewards. Let's take an oracle message for you, Leo. Message for Leo for this week of December. Archangel Michael, trusting heaven. You are safe. Angels, stand close, surrender your concerns, and allow a miracle to occur. So here, Archangel Michael is telling you that you are safe. He is there to look after you. You will get what you deserve. You just don't need to be concerned about anything. Just do not tire yourself. Okay, because I see that you are overthinking. You are just losing the hope that things are going to end up nicely. So here there is God, and it sees everything. So the God is watching what they're doing and what you're doing. You are going to get your share, and they're going to get their share. Nothing can just come in the middle of it. So this was the reading for this week of December. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Till next video. Bye.